let's see it.
You're screwed, dude.
Am I?
Oh yeah.
Can you get me out?
I hope so. Hey, I'm gonna try and pull you back. You think I'm a vegan stuck, so everybody at work's gonna see this.
Apparently that was too high.
Yeah. Well, the problem is that it drops off on the backside.
Yeah. You're gonna have to pull me from the water.
What's that?
You're gonna have to pull me from the water, I think.
No, I just need to get you so your front tires are back on.
You're just gonna push me?
No, I'll pull you back. I'll pull you through the water.
Help is on the way.
Apparently there needs to be documentation because Greg likes to send it around when he has to pull Craig out at work.
Oh, okay.
He's like, this is the one time I have to get Greg out.
Oh, that's funny. I have like dirt in my mouth. It's like all grainy. Yum.
I had it on my face. I'm like, oh, it's like a mud fish.
That's exactly what I said. I'm like, well, good thing I always wanted a mud mask.
Drop off on the other side.
I've only got one tire touching right now.
Do you even have one?
Yeah,
Yeah, this
rear.
guy.
Front driver?
No, the right rear. Or left rear.
That's barely gonna touch. Ready?
Yep. I got it in neutral, is that alright?
He's not moving. Oh, there he goes.
Put it in reverse, see if you can go.
Yep, I'm good.
Oh God. Oh God.
I'm gonna get out of here before
You consider that good? I just see it like flying backwards.